A big thank you to our sponsors over at TaxCalc for making this video possible. If you're not familiar with the brand, then you really should be. TaxCalc makes award-winning professional accounting, tax, practice management and communications products, and they are trusted by over 9,500 firms across the country, including mine. Check them out at taxcalc.com, and I'll also pop a link in the description for you to give it a try. Now back to the video. Tax is coming to Dubai. Yep, you heard right. 9% corporate income tax will be introduced from June 2023, and it is going to affect most businesses unless you are exempt. In this video, I'm going to talk through what we know so far about the new tax rate and what you can do to avoid it. I'm sure you're wondering why the UAE are bringing in this tax for companies. The reason is that it will help the UAE achieve its objectives and accelerate the development of Dubai and other Emirates. And there of course are other things as well. An important thing to be aware of is that unlike the UK, this corporate income tax will also affect freelancers who are operating a business. You don't need a company to be caught by the tax rate. It will also catch you if you're operating a permanent establishment in the UAE. For example, if you have a UK company and you start working from Dubai, you may well meet this requirement. It will also apply to free zone companies. There are lots of people saying that free zone companies are exempt from this new tax, but that is simply not true. They may be exempt if they meet the exceptions. More on this later. Corporate income tax, or CIT as we'll now call it, comes into effect for businesses with year ends commencing on or after the 1st of June 2023. For example, if your business has a 31st of December year end, your first tax period will be the 1st of January 2024 to the 31st of December 2024. CIT is due for payment and must be reported 9 months after the end of the tax period. So, in this example that I have just given, the first tax payment would be due 30th of September 2025. It seems like far away, right? It will come around quickly, I assure you. As a business owner, you will have a number of responsibilities, including registering with the Federal Tax Authority for CIT, filing returns and paying within 9 months, if applicable, deregistering within 3 months of business closure, and importantly, maintaining proper records. There is a threshold where tax will be 0%, and this is 375,000 AED. So any profits under this amount won't be taxed, and any above will be taxed at 9%. I mentioned earlier, there may be some exceptions for free zone companies. They are as follows, pay attention. 1. You must maintain adequate substance. This means having an office and actually operating from it. 2. You must make sure you have audited accounts prepared. 3. You must comply with all regulatory compliance. And 4. You must not transact with the mainland. Even one transaction with the mainland is enough to make your entire free zone profits subject to CIT. Now, there's still plenty that we don't know about all of this, and we are awaiting further guidance. So this introduction just covers some of the key points so you can start to get organised. And remember, if you need an accountant in the UK or Dubai, get in touch. See you later.